Today's video is on the top 3 best snow shovels that are electric. Through extensive research and testing, I have put together a list of options that meet the needs of different types of buyers. So, whether it's price, performance, or the use of it, we've got you covered. For more product information, I have included affiliate links below, updated for the best prices. Now, let's find your top pick. Number 3. Best budget. SnowJoe Cordless Snow Shovel Kit. When it comes to dealing with snow, wouldn't you rather go with a tool that makes the job easier? Well, say hello to the SnowJoe 24 VSS 13, your new go-to cordless snow removal tool. This snowblower is a game changer, designed for anyone who wants to make clearing snow less of a chore and more of a breeze. What sets it apart is the convenience and power packed into one lightweight device. It's powered by SnowJoe's exclusive Ion Max 24-volt lithium-ion battery system, which provides up to 22 minutes of whisper-quiet runtime. That's a solid amount of time to clear snow from your driveway, walkways, or even a large patio, all without making much noise. So whether it's early morning or late evening, you won't have to worry about waking up the neighbors. Now, don't be fooled by its lightweight design. With a strong 400-watt motor, this snow shovel is capable of moving up to 1,620 pounds of snow on just a single charge. It's like having a powerful snowblower but without the bulk. And speaking of bulk, the best part is that it weighs less than 13 pounds, making it easy to maneuver. Forget about heavy lifting or straining your back because the SnowJoe's dual-handled design makes it comfortable to hold, allowing you to push through snow without bending or putting unnecessary stress on your body. Let's talk about its snow clearing capabilities. This handy machine is designed to clear a path that is 13 inches wide and 6 inches deep in just one pass, and it can throw snow up to 20 feet away. That means less time working and more time enjoying the winter season. The SnowJoe features a durable 2-blade paddle auger that cuts through snow efficiently, and the heavy-duty scraper blade at the base ensures that you're clearing down to the surface. Whether it's your wooden deck, driveway, or pavement, you don't have to worry about causing any damage. And when the job's done, you won't have to worry about storage space either. The SnowJoe is compact enough to fit inside a closet, making it easy to store and even easier to grab whenever you need it. It's all about making snow removal as stress-free as possible. So this winter, why struggle with back-breaking snow removal? Get equipped with the SnowJoe 24 VSS 13 cordless snow shovel and make your life a whole lot easier. You'll wonder why you didn't get one sooner. Press that subscribe button harder than you press the trigger on your electric shovel when a snowstorm hits. Number 2, best overall, Skil Snow Shovel Kit. Need to clear snow off your driveway, sidewalk, or deck? The Skil PWR Core 40 12-inch snow shovel attachment has got you covered. This handy snow shovel is a game changer, especially during those long winter months when snow can pile up quickly. It throws snow up to 20 feet, getting it far out of your way in no time. That means you won't have to deal with messy snowbanks that block your paths. With a 12-inch clearing width, it's perfect for keeping those walkways clear without much hassle. Whether you're facing a light dusting or a heavier snowfall, this tool can handle it all with ease. What's neat about this snow shovel is its 2-speed selector feature. This allows you to choose whether you want to go all out with maximum power or if you'd prefer to conserve battery and extend your runtime. If you're in a hurry and need to clear a lot of snow fast, cranking up the power is the way to go. But if you have a lighter job and want to save some battery life, you can opt for the more efficient setting. Flexibility like that can make a big difference, especially on those colder days when you want to get the job done quickly and efficiently. Now, let's talk about the versatility of the 40-volt power head. This powerhouse is designed for more than just snow removal. It works seamlessly with the Skil PWR Core 40 MultiHead system attachments and other compatible ones too, making it a versatile tool that's ready for whatever job you throw at it. Need to do some gardening or yard work? Just switch out the attachment. Plus, its IPX4 water resistance means you don't have to worry about a little snow or rain. It's built to last even in less than perfect weather conditions. You can rely on this snow shovel come rain or shine. The snow shovel attachment comes with everything you need to get started. The PWR Core 40 power head, the snow shovel attachment itself, a 4 amp hour battery, and an auto PWR jump charger. That means you can get straight to clearing snow without worrying about any extra purchases or accessories. Everything you need is right there in the box. The plastic auger is also deck friendly, making it great for use on patios or wooden surfaces where you need to be a bit more careful. You won't have to worry about scratching or damaging your deck while getting rid of that pesky snow. Overall, this 12-inch snow shovel attachment is designed to make your life easier during the winter months. With its impressive snow throwing ability, flexible speed options, and compatibility with other attachments, it's a must-have tool for any homeowner. Number 1. Our pick. Ego MultiHead Snow Shovel Kit. Looking for a powerful and easy way to clear snow this winter? Let me introduce you to the Snow Shovel Kit, designed exclusively for the Ego Power Plus MultiHead system. This snow shovel stands out with its amazing features, making it perfect for all your snow removal needs. First off, let's talk about its impressive directional throwing distance. You can throw snow up to 25 feet away, allowing you to clear your paths without creating a mess. Imagine being able to control exactly where the snow goes with just a twist of an integrated dial. This feature sets it apart from other cordless snow shovels on the market. Plus, with a 12-inch clearing surface, it's perfect for handling snow on sidewalks, driveways, and decks, ensuring you can tackle those winter messes quickly and efficiently. Now, if you got a big driveway, you'll appreciate this. This electric shovel can clear a 4-car driveway covered in 6 inches of snow, all on a single charge. The included 56-volt 4 amp hour ARC lithium battery provides the power you need to get the job done without running out of juice halfway through. Whether you live in an area that gets heavy snowfall or just need to clear the driveway after a light dusting, this shovel has got you covered. But that's not all. One of the standout features of this electric shovel is its innovative overload protection system. This safety feature temporarily stops the auger rotation when it encounters extreme loads or unexpected jams, which helps protect the motor and electronics from damage. You won't have to worry about pushing it too hard. It knows when to take a break. Comfort and usability are also at the forefront of this design. The adjustable front handle allows you to find the perfect height for your comfort, making it easier to maneuver. Plus, with a variable speed trigger and a 2-speed selector, you can customize your snow clearing experience based on the conditions. And for added safety, there's a lock-off switch that prevents accidental starts, so you can feel secure while using it. Durability is key, and this snow shovel is built to last, thanks to its weather-resistant construction rated at IPX4. The Snow Shovel Kit includes the electric snow shovel attachment, power head, 56-volt 4 amp hour ARC lithium battery, and a 320-watt charger. Experience power beyond belief this winter, all without the noise, fuss, and fumes of traditional snow removal methods. Plus, it's backed by a 5-year tool warranty and a 3-year battery warranty, so you can have peace of mind with your purchase. But here's the catch. These cordless wonders often sell out as soon as the snow hits. So, don't wait until the first flake falls. Make sure you prepare ahead of time and grab your snow shovel kit while you can. Remember, we've done the hard work, sifting deep into the research so you don't have to waste time on subpar products. For more product info, check the affiliate links below or our website, toppick3.com. Thanks for watching.